was no longer just a financial crisis. It had become a full-blown economic crisis, with home prices sinking and businesses struggling to access affordable credit, and the economy shedding an average of 700,000 jobs every single month.
And when we've gone without sound rules of the road and sound investments in our future, then we've risked stagnation, or worse, we've risked full-blown economic crises.
And we've got a full-blown investigation, and all that information will be disgorged to Congress to try to get a better handle on what's happening. And we've already gone to the United Nations to say we want a full-blown investigation inside of Syria. So far, for unsurprising reasons, President Assad has resisted. We will stay on this. Now, I want to thank my good friend, President Yudhoyono, for your leadership and the example that Indonesia has tried to set as a country that has transitioned from a difficult past to a full-blown democracy.
And even as we meet the urgent threat of Ebola, it's clear that our nations have to do more to prevent, detect, and respond to future biological threats before they erupt into full-blown crises.